Alright, we're gonna go check out that video that, or link, whatever, from Avon stayed and see what it's all about. Now, because we don't know what the graphic is or the material, we're not gonna keep the camera on it, besides the point of it's to record our reactions, right? So, go ahead, man. What the fuck?
Oh. Ew.
The hell is wrong with fucking people?
Ooh. Oh.
Ugh. Why the fuck would anybody want to fucking do that? Look, stop that shit.
Oh, that's oh. What is wrong with people? That's just wrong.
Oh. Well, there you have it. There's our reactions. And,
Oh.